Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Annie and this is Annie's Adventures in another episode of Properties with me. So today I'm in Jos Kamala and I'll be showcasing these wonderful bungalows behind me. We have bungalows and Mansionate, but right now I'll be showcasing a Mansionate which is seated on a 40 by 80 plot. It can comfortably fit 2 cars and be left with a space for the kids to play around, or you can set up something like something for sundowning, outside there. Anyways, this Mansionate is big enough. It's very spacious. The rooms are very spacious. Now we'll be starting with the ground floor, which has a kitchen, a dining area and a sitting area, and then we have washrooms. Then we have staircases which leads us to the bedrooms, which are 3 bedrooms. The master and suite is all of them are master and suite, but the main bedroom has a walk-in closet and a very spacious balcony. The rest of the 2 rooms are the same size, which are also master and suite. We have very long windows, high ceiling and everything juicy. So guys, I would love you to watch all that in this video. Then I'll give you all the details that you require. I'll also leave my contact down below. If you are interested, you can book with us. You can call us, book a unit or book a viewing day, and we'll be able to assist you. We can take you through the process. We can also take you through all your inquiries. We'll be able to answer. So guys, watch until the end and you'll be able to get the details that you require for this video. Anywho's, enjoy in the meantime. As you subscribe, don't forget to subscribe. Now this is the Mansionate that I'll be taking you through. You have the details that it is seated on an 80 by 40 feet plot and it's a 3 bedroom all en suite Mansionate. It's very spacious. The rooms are very spacious. The sitting area, the dining area and the kitchen, they are on the ground floor, and then we have the bedrooms on the upper floor. Immediately you come in, the first area that you see is the dining area, which is next to the kitchen, which is a semi-open kitchen. It's a spacious one and has 2 windows which are of size, and you can see guys, those rooms are big. We are not exaggerating here, we are saying as the way it is. Next you can see the kitchen, which I'll show you on a closer look once we get to the kitchen section. And on the far end, that's the sitting area or the living area or the lounge area, depending on what you want to call it. The rooms are well lit and the large sized windows, you can see them, there are 3 of them in one room, meaning that the light is not a problem, and you can see clearly every corner of the house, and you can see also the uniformity of the tilings and also the ceiling. This unit is going for 9.01 million in Kenya shillings and has flexible payment and mortgage option. Next is the staircase area. As you can see, it is centrally located and can be accessed from either of the rooms. And then it has these long wide windows, not one but several, allowing light to come in through. And next to it we have this open space which you can play around with it while styling your house. Let's make a grand entrance to the kitchen and show you around this area. This is our semi-open kitchen, which is featured with kitchen cabinets, brown in color, and then we have black marble tabletops, a double sink, and then we have a pantry which is not yet fitted with the kitchen or with the pantry racks, but you can always modify it according to your liking once you get the house. And that's it from our spacious kitchen. Now we'll proceed to the rest of the remaining part, which is the washroom, which is on the ground floor, and then we proceed to the other level, which has the bedrooms, and then I'll take you around and you give me a review what you think so far. Anyways, this door that you're seeing here open up to the back side of the house. If you have a nest key, you access it from here. Anyways, this is our only washroom on the ground floor, and the rest are on the upper floor. So if you have guests, this is the washroom that they'll be using, and if we are maybe on the ground floor, this is the same washroom we'll be using.
추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Say I will live fine.
We can't ignore the fact that the staircases are short and the high ceiling and the several long windows.
I can control. I miss you, baby. 너무 어려워. 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아.
Can you see the size of that master bedroom? It's huge. It's humongous, guys. And can you note the number of the windows? There are three in the bedroom. And then we have a door which leads to the balcony. I'll be showing you shortly. Just a reminder that these units are going for 9.01 M in terms of Kenya shillings, and there is flexible payment and mortgage option. There are 3 bedrooms, all en suite with an SQ. If not, there are 4 bedrooms, all en suite. If it doesn't have an SQ, it's a 4-bedroom unit. Hope we are together. If not, just call us, we clarify. The bedroom and the walk-in closets are separated in such a way that it's like a small corridor. If you maybe want to put a sliding door or anything to separate, or you can leave it like that. We have our walk-in closet, which is separated on 2 sides. We have his side and her side, and then straight on we have our bathroom, which is mixed bathroom and toilet. Now, behind this door, we have a very beautiful space, which is the balcony. It's huge, spacious, and a very beautiful view of the estate. Guys, let me give you some few minutes. You get to see what I'm talking about. Now that you've inhaled that, now let's move on to the rest of the bedrooms, which is bedroom 2 and 3. They are en suite. They are almost the same size. They are located just a few, distance from the master bedroom. This is the first bedroom, and the other one is just right next to this one. It has a fitted wardrobe. It has a huge window which is covering like the best part of the room, and it's tiled and it's very clean. So have a look and let me know on the comment section below. And this is the third bedroom. As you can see, it is similar to the second bedroom in terms of size, The features, they are all the same, only that this one has a little touch-ups to be done here and there in terms of paint, and that will be it.
I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었었나 봐.
That's it for the upper floor, which has the bedrooms, as you can see them all en suite. Now we'll go back to downstairs and finalize on the house tour.
I miss you, baby. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. 난 좀 더 빨리 널 잊어야만 해. 우리 헤어졌던 수요일 밤이 기억나. 말없이 걸었었던 너와의 마지막 밤.
On the outside part of the house, we have a small garden. You can see it from here, and then we have your cool neighbors right there. And then in between the house and the fence, we have a small space in between.
Really fine.
This is our parking area, and then at the far end we have a small garden. Behind we have laundry or washing area. Some units have SQ, some don't have. And also call us for more details, and so that you can book your unit to come see for yourself. Anyways, thank you so much for watching up until the end. See you on the next one. Bye bye.